Here I'm going to show the part of the process where I unclamp the veneers to check them out. These had already been clamped in the mold and sitting for 24 hours. Here I'm taking off 2 pieces of pine wood that I have to use because the top part of the mold is a broken skateboard. I think this could be considered part 2 of the process after gluing the veneers together and clamping them. At this point, the skateboard deck was still very wet and heavy. It is noticeably heavier than this regular skateboard deck. It does still have some extra material on it that I will cut off later, but the weight is mostly due to the moisture content. It is also still way too soft and flexible. It has formed to the correct concave, so that's a good thing. And now I'm contemplating as to why it's not done yet. I was hoping I could cut it out and ride it sooner. Here I'm thinking about why it's so wet. Is it the glue? Is it because the wood is too green, or it was already saturated with moisture and it hasn't come out yet? Or maybe it absorbed moisture from the environment. Okay, I'm clamping it back up. Watching videos about making your own skateboard deck, when they make them out of hard maple, they say it only takes 24 to 48 hours, and I don't see them having this problem. So maybe it is the type of wood that just takes longer to cure, or maybe it's the environment that I live in. It's very humid and hot in Indonesia. Here I'm thinking it's going to take a week for this thing to dry, and it does take a week. After this, I put it in the sun for a couple hours on some days and keep it in my room upstairs, which has air conditioning on sometimes. Right now I'm saying these clamps here at the end, these plastic ones, they're not strong enough. And that's true. Later I find out that there was too many delaminations on the nose and tail, and that's why I had to cut them so short. Like right now I'm riding this board, but one of well, they're both pretty short, the nose and tail, but one of them is so short it's difficult to pop an ollie off of. So I'm going to buy at least 4 more C-clamps. Alright, so I'm going to clamp this back up now and tighten it up nicely. In the end, this worked out. I just had to wait. It took some time for this mahogany, eucalyptus, and white cedar. Those are the 3 different types of wood. Okay, thanks for watching.